Here's a good question. I need to come up with the chemical formula for hydrosulfuric acid. So I need to go to my 3 rules and figure out which one it is. Since there's a hydro in it, it has to be this last rule. So if it's this last rule, then the ionic name must have come from an ide. Okay, so not an ate or an ite, has to come from an ide. And the only ones that will do that are these ones. Well, on this side, let me point over here. So these ones here will give me an ide, but these ones here are all eights or ites. So it must have come from this sulfur right there. So the ionic name could have been hydrogen sulfide. And so if it's hydrogen sulfide, then the chemical formula will be an H and an S. Since the S is in the 2- category, so this is a 2- and hydrogen is a 1+, then I need 2 hydrogens, 2 of these, to balance off the 2-. So the formula will be H2S. Hopefully that helps you with that. The other point I was going to make about that too, not really a point, but if you printed off the data booklet, and you'll always have the data booklet with you on any exams. In the data booklet, there's an acid page, and the acid page actually has all the names and the formulas for all the acids that most all the acids that we're going to look at. So you can also look and check to make sure you're correct with that. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question.